Hello, my name is Margot Lane. I'm from New Zealand, but I'm currently living and working in Hong Kong. I work in an SEN ID school, students with intellectual disabilities. There are 180 students in the school from primary, elementary age right up to secondary, and I'm involved with teaching English in the school across all ages and grade levels. The reason I've come here to attend this program is that I've come from working in mainstream schools, and this is my first experience of working in an SEN school, and I just really want to know more. I felt quite ill-equipped, although I was a very experienced classroom teacher. I felt quite inexperienced, and I just didn't have knowledge about many of the variety of the range of learning disabilities and disorders, and I've really got a really good foundation through this course. I also wanted to know about specific strategies for working to support the learning for specific disorders, such as ASD or ADHD or dyslexia. I've learned a lot about dyslexia, which I had a vague understanding of before, but I've learned a lot more about the specifics and specific strategies that are required to help students with dyslexia. So that's been wonderful. Another thing that I've really gained from the program is working with people, and it's basically like a United Nations. We're working with people who are from different countries, living in different countries, and working with people in different cultures, but the same baseline, the same thing that connects us all is that we want to flourish, and we want the students that we're teaching and working with to be able to flourish, to be empowered, to live a full and a wonderful and amazing life. And so it's great to be here sharing all these different things. It was a lot of honesty, people sharing their own struggles with working with students and not knowing how to proceed and how to help the students we're working with. And we've really got a lot of really practical ideas through the course. One thing that I would like to ask, which I thought would be wonderful, if there was a similar course, perhaps a short course, in working with specific disorders or learning disabilities. For example, autism. I have a lot of students in our first grade. I think it's 70% or 80% of the students on the ASD spectrum, and I feel that I need to do specific training in that area. So if there was something available for that, it would be wonderful. And yeah, I've learned so much that I can apply in my daily teaching and interaction with the students, but also I've gained a lot of inspiration. I feel like this is a really great springboard, a really great jumping off point to go ahead and do more reading and do more study and training for myself, just to know that I am really getting the best knowledge and the right skills to be able to support the students as best I can. So thank you, ACT.
If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification for a new video.